If you want to take a screen record on Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's swipe down from the top right corner. Let's open up this panel, and here we gotta locate our screen record, right? There it is. So first of all, let's hold our finger on it. Here you can choose the format, where to save them, media quality, sound quality, selfie video size, show touches or no, and where to show them as well. So to start our recording, let's tap here, choose sound, non-media or media or mic, and choose whether you want to have your taps and touches. Now press start. Here is your countdown, and our recording has just started. Here you can turn on your selfie camera. Also, you can tap on this pencil icon, and now you can draw. So you can choose any color, the thickness, right? And we can draw. Right, if you want to pause it, tap on the pause icon. To keep on, press keep on, and to stop, tap on this rectangular icon. You can find all of your recordings in your gallery. And basically that's it. That's how it works. So you can see my selfie camera. I'll start drawing now, I guess, right? Yeah. And easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.